In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 284 by 4 using the long division method. See that 2 is less than 4. That is why we will consider the number 28. We know that 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, we get 0. Now see that this 0 is also less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 4 here. Now see that this is the number 4. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, we get a 0. As we get the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 284 divided by 4 is equal to 71. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.